Drake filmed a music video right here. I'll blend in a little sequence of that.
We ain't even out in Turks, you finna take sand. Riding
Just a super cool house all over. It has a guard tower, a viewing platform too. Let me go up there real quick. You see the iguana here? Oh. Right there. And of course, it is waterfront. Large pool and heated swimming area up here. It's just a huge property. And then you have this beautiful courtyard. Casual Miami Drive. I just showed you guys the weather outside while I was driving. It's not even a named storm. This is just basic Miami weather. And look at this. Dripping from here from the ceiling. This is already soaked. My computer is fine. And all of this massive puddle here on my chair too. I knew about this, but that's new. My desk is dry, computer is dry, and all here wet. And it's not stopping here. My bedroom. All this here, it's wet too.
First of all, my voice is so fucked up. It's hilarious. I woke up with such a bad throat pain this morning and yesterday too. I'm not sure what happened last weekend. It's now the 29th of February, so I think I didn't film for almost 2 weeks. For the simple reason that I got very disappointed, honestly, in the performance because no one's even watching these videos. I shouldn't really care because I'm not doing them for someone specific. I'm just doing it because I want to put it out there. So I'll be back on track now. I'm filming for consistency and eventually I think people end up watching, and I did get a couple of positive feedbacks. So I will just continue filming all my bullshit life and present it to you guys. No one has to watch actually. I'm gonna pull out my phone in a second and show you guys the progress of the last 2 weeks once I'm not on this speedway anymore, which will be in a couple of minutes. A quick story first. I was in La Belle last weekend for like some festival. It was funny because I won the Armadillo race and I got like a cap like this. It's like a betting of which armadillo reaches the finish line first. And then that same evening I went to search for chameleons in my special spot and I caught 6, but one of them got lost. I always put them on the visor here because in the evenings they sleep so they don't move around a lot, but one of them jumped and disappeared, and like an hour ago I was looking around in my car and I found him. So right now I've enclosed in this little bag here. It's a small guy too, but look at him. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with him now. He's a little feisty guy, like he jumps off. But he's pretty. So back to the progress part. I did a re-upload on one of my videos from like months ago on Instagram. and it went absolutely viral, bazonkers. And look at this, guys. I'm at 69,000 followers, and the video is at 14 million, 13.7 million. And let's go to Facebook. Also, Facebook has been doing well, and guess what? I have more than surpassed my goal. So with TikTok, my regular income, and my other side hustles, I've basically doubled my goal from the next month. So I'm set until probably March, April. What else can I tell you guys? Today I'm just driving around different properties. I have one check-in, and I'm just bringing a bunch of stuff I ordered to each location. And earlier, the people renting the house in front of me called me, saying that someone's trying to tow their car in front of the house. It is a residential zone, but we never had a problem with that. And now I'm here, and the reason is they have like 6 cars here, which obviously is not within our limits. I always tell people max 3, because if they can fit 1 in the driveway and then 2 in front of the house. So I didn't check them in myself the other day, because they arrived like super late and was a spontaneous booking. And also yesterday evening I felt like shit. Also this morning I felt like shit, and I didn't go to our team meeting because I would have had to drive an hour to Fort Lauderdale, where we planned to do it. And I really just needed my rest. My voice was so bad in the morning. It is much better now. It still hurts. I have to cough a lot, but it's getting better. I thought yesterday was the worst day, but today is the worst day for sure. I basically just picked up these plants instead of the road, so I'm just gonna have him walk on these instead of this dark box. Turn this around, and there you go, buddy. Walk. There we go. Like triple tasking here. He should not try to hide. He should just stay in the crown of these plants until I'm home later. I already chipped this one time, and I wanted it to grow like branches from all of the new nodes, and it only grew from this one. So now I'm hoping that these will also start growing again, and then that this one will grow new growth nodes on the top of the stem. Damn, my voice sounds so horrible. It's incredible. So I have the little chameleon here right now. I got these 3 plants like I showed you guys, and I don't think he will move around a lot from here. He might climb up here, which is totally fine. But even if he does go on the floor, I mean, I'm gonna close this door all the time, so it's whatever. Olivia is here in her box. She ate a couple days ago. I gave her a mouse. Now she's been resting since digesting. And also the fish are doing pretty well. I got a little magnet here, and the water is crystal clear. I really hope that my voice is back to sort of normal by tomorrow, because this just sounds so horrible. I sound like one of these squeaky dog toys, because sometimes my voice goes like super high and then it dies down completely, and then it's like sort of deep, but with no force. Fortunately, I don't feel horrible. I think I said before I had a light fever in the morning, and probably will be the same thing again tomorrow. But I'm not like in pain. I don't feel weak. I'm just like fucked up in my throat. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow.